Assalamu alaikum viewers, with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and use Saber plugins with Adobe After Effects. You can also create magical video with these plugins and magic sword, magic stick. So let's start. Create new composition and import your footage. Like this. Okay, now select and go to animation and click on track camera. It's take a few minutes. The camera tracking is running in background. Okay, now it's done. And now select your area which you want to edit. So right click on and create. Click on create and solid and camera. Okay. Select one more area like this. Click on create solid. Okay, now create new solid and rename drop down on first solid layer and apply the effect Saber. It's an external plugin for Adobe After Effects. You can also download. The link is in description. Okay, now select your first solid layer and copy transform and paste into the Saber layer. Okay, now change the blending mode to screen. Now disable both layers and select pen tool and create some mask. Like this. Okay, now enable layer and go to plugin property, click on customize core and change the core type to layer mask. Okay, now create one more solid layer, apply the effect Saber and enable 3D, the both Saber layers. Okay, now disable it and copy the transform, paste on Saber 2, select pen tool and add mask, change the core type to layer mask, enable and change blending mode to screen. You can also change the glow color and also change preset here like this. Okay, now play the video. Now you can see the light is going out from selected area. Okay, now go to Saber layer, go to mask, and add keyframe on mask path and edit it with the position of car. Okay, now it's done. Now create one new composition for more work. Import your footage like this. Okay, now create one new adjustment layer like this. Apply the effect, Saber, change blending mode to screen. Okay, now go to first frame and add keyframe on core start and core end. Disable adjustment layer, and now okay, now set the positions core start and core end with the position of your sword. Go to next frame by shortcut key control plus right arrow key. Press and change position. Again press next frame and change position. Next frame, change position. Do same as it. Do same as hold the video. After the complete, enable the layer and change the glow intensity like this and change color which you want. Like this, you can see. Okay. And now go to click on the link, download link in the description, and go and wait just for 6 seconds, and click on skip. It will be automatically redirect to download page. Here you can download plugin. It's for free for Windows and Apple. I hope I hope you will like my video, and I request subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.